The Takahashi brothers of Melbourne. Holy shit.
Stop, I hate recording, stop. I hate recording.
No, I'm going through his car, yeah?
No, you can record him, not me.
Let's see.
Oh fuck, mate. You gotta change that, mate.
You gotta press the air.
Yep.
Just, that's enough.
See? Micro filter.
Exactly.
This is a big. This is a big scam by BMW.
Is it for a cabin or is that meant to be in the cabin?
It's meant for your cabin.
Does it work?
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Do you have asthma?
No.
Good.
There you go. So you don't want
The Takahashi brothers of Melbourne. Holy shit. Piece of history right here. It's I feel like it's cool that like he has like the Rx7 here, like the FD, but it's even cooler that he has the FC here on the way. Fuck yeah, I'll be in the passenger. Right, they left their windows down. I think everyone here, they're gonna steal these guys. Damn, that's sick. Bro, that interior is sexy. Such clean interior. Holy shit. Definitely not stuck. You can tell the car's not stuck. Maybe that's no, it's got a fucking slide. That's how you know it's going to be pushing power.
He has a roll cage. Who takes on the truck?
Huh?
He has a roll cage.
Bro, that's freaking sick.
Are they both yours?
Hey?
Are they both yours?
No.
Oh,
One's dad's.
Dad's. Oh, wow.
That's freaking sick, father and son. Yeah, that's sick as, dude. That's sick as. Look at this consumer, that's huge. Crazy. Should I put my EK?
But your EK is like nothing. Your EK is bigger than the turbo.
No, the turbo is probably bigger than the head. What do you mean? Redline them, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, you were gonna hear his turbo from here. It's not full, it's not full. Oh, okay, you didn't hear anything. But that was sick. Sick Rx7 at this me. So, it's pretty good. Total School EK Civic. Were they on the whole time?
Maybe that's on battery charge.
Maybe that's why it's never turning out when you fucking dig it.
Maybe that's what my head's like. No, I left it on that. Wait, you didn't see the how was it on?
No. It'll be alright, it'll be alright.
Remember the nights, young and with stress. Keeping that weed in my dress.
Back with balls, fit the rear strap bar. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut some holes there just so I can get easy access towards the soft and hard of the coilovers, and to install this spoon strap bar. A quick clean and result to something. This is what you get. It's the second spoon mod of the EK series, so let's get started. We've already got a step forward. I actually dismantled where the rear speaker goes. Yeah, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna cut out here. Honestly, I don't really care if it comes out ugly or not. Honestly, it's the boot, so it's like kinda don't really care about that. But yeah, if you just wanted to know, strap bar does look like this. Right here connects to the coilovers, so we'll have to dismantle the coilovers as well. So just a little bit of an update. It's all done. It's not the best cutting. Honestly, you can roast me about the cutting, but I don't know. This is the boot. It's not like anyone's gonna look at it, so you don't really have to make it the best looking. But it's up to you. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's really and strong. So just a little rundown. All you just need to do is really so cut the hole, take off the coilover bolts. There should be one on both sides there. Take it off, flip it under, screw it back in, and yeah, not just that, you do get access towards the coilovers, so it really does help for like track days or toge runs. So yeah, second spoon sports part of the build. Many more to come, so I cannot wait. I hope you guys follow along with the build, and yeah, this is me just testing out the suspension mods, all the mods that I've done towards the car, and this is probably I'll say the third or second hardest time I've been hitting it, and it just feels so much better. And from the front, and I've installed the rear, it just makes handling so much, like there's not much body roll. It's really good, and I do recommend this mod on every Civic. Well, in your purpose if you want to do toge runs. And as well, I believe this is me hitting my best time on my local toge track. And yeah, you just guys gotta find out in the next future videos.
I ain't finna fall down. Fourth quarter shorty, I'ma ball out. Don't go to work, baby, call out. Ain't no way, no stall now. I'm finna ball out. Fourth quarter, shorty, no call outs. Don't go to work, baby, just call out. In the bedroom, all out. Perks on the counter, I can't wait to take them. Blunts on the counter, can't wait to face it. Bad little bitch, yeah, she be my favorite. All my songs, they all on her play.